Welcome back. MLA Vijay Sardesai's newly formed Goenka's first public meeting concluded amidst a crowd of around 1,000 people from various walks of life. Vijay, the convener of Goenkas, has appealed to the Sussegat Goenkars to wake up before the tender of MOPA is complete. Agenda of Goenkar like Khazan land protection, regional plan issue hint at the possible third front led by Vijay.
आज अशें एक सिच्युएशन जाला की मोपाचो टेंडर जावपाक थोडे दीस उरल्यात. सरकार सांगता की मोपा टेंडर फायनलायज जाल्लो आहा. आमचे गोंयकार सुशेगाद आनी सुशेगाद बसल्यात. कोण तरी बोवाळ करतालो. आज मोपा म्हणटा तो टेंडर जावपाचो आहा भावंडो आनी टेंडर जातकर मागीर विमानाचेर फातर मारूंक मेळपाना. लोहया मैदानाचेर मिटींग मागीर करून काय फायदो ना म्हणून मिटींग बेगीनूच बेगीन घेतल्या आमी. आणि आमकां दिसता आनी म्हाका म्हजें ठाम मत आसा. आज आमचे बाब कांबळीन संदीप कांबळीन सांगला ते भशेन मोपा म्हणटे मोपाचे फायद्या खातीर न्ही. मोपा म्हणटे साश्टीकाराच्या फायद्या खातीर न्हीच. मोपा म्हणटे फक्त महाराष्ट्राच्या फायद्या खातीर केल्लें आहा. गरज आहा मागता पडतो की आज जी आमी सुरवात केल्या ही सुरवात आमी फुडें चलोवया. जे स्वाभिमान आशिल्ले सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट आसले खरे गोंयकार जे आहा तांकां सगळ्यांक संघटीत करूया आनी गोंय म्हणटे गोंयकारां खातीर पयलें आसतलें हें आमी हे वर्सान स्थापना करून दाखोवया. आनी हें करपाक तुमचो सगळ्यांचो एकवटान आमकां आदार आसतलो अशें हांव देवा कडेन मागून तुमचे कडेन मागून म्हजी दोन उतरां आयकले म्हण देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
The High Court has observed that some people are misusing public interest litigation as a tool to extort money. The High Court also commented that before accepting a petition from third party, court should assess the motive of the petitioner.
The High Court bench comprising of Justice V.M. Kanade and U.V. Bakre, while hearing a PIL on Tuesday, observed that some people are using public interest litigation as a tool to extort money. The court also observed that some litigants raise relevant issues like environment problems, but some take advantage of free publicity by just filing a PIL. The court said that before accepting a petition from a third party, court should assess the motive of petitioner and whether the issue raised in the petition really affects the masses. The court said that such practices should be curbed. High Court observes, some people are using PIL as a tool to extort money. Courts should discourage such malpractices. Some people take advantage of free publicity by just filing PIL. Court should assess the motive of petitioner, assess whether issue raised in petition really affects masses or not. Bench directed the petitioner to deposit 1 lakh rupees before proceeding in the matter. If contention of the petitioner is found wrong, money deposited will be kept as a cost. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Pakistan has plunged into a fresh political crisis with the Supreme Court ordering arrest of Prime Minister Raja Pervez Ashraf. His arrest comes after charges against him for receiving bribes in power projects. Court has set a 24-hour deadline for authorities to implement its arrest orders of Prime Minister of Pakistan.
Pakistan appeared headed for uncertainty with the court setting a 24-hour deadline for authorities to implement its arrest orders of Prime Minister Raja Pervez Ashraf. It may cost a second Prime Minister to lose office in less than a year. 62-year-old Ashraf has been accused of receiving kickbacks and commission in the rental power projects case. In March last year, the Supreme Court had declared all contracts signed by the government for rental power plants as illegal and directed authorities to take legal action against those responsible for clearing the projects, including Prime Minister Ashraf. The National Accountability Bureau, the country's main anti-corruption agency, had so far refused to act on the court's directive. During hearing on Tuesday, the bench issued a notice for contempt of court to NAB chief. It is not clear as to what will be the political fallout of the Supreme Court's order against Ashraf, as this is probably the first case of an incumbent Prime Minister being ordered to be arrested in a corruption case. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.